पढ़ाएंगे ना।
Students, good morning.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So yesterday we have day before yesterday,
Good morning,
the class day. We have completed and we have not only completed, we have
Good morning,
revised
sir.
the
आपकी
lesson.
आवाज धीरे
Good morning, sir.
सर, आपकी आवाज बहुत धीरे आ रही है।
The lesson one, now it's clear that we have cleared.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Shivangi Singh,
सर, आ रही है आपकी आवाज।
Good morning, sir.
so we have revised the lesson number 1, history, what, where, how and when. So as well as I have discussed with you that which lesson we have revised, and you told that we have to start this lesson of civics. So today I will revise the lesson number 1 of civics, social and political life. That one, understanding diversity once more. And then after this I have I think that we have to complete the 2 lessons. The 1 lesson of history, 1 more lesson means lesson number 6, as well as even in the social and political life, we will complete the lesson number 5. So today we will start with this, understanding diversity. Most of the students are making noise, so that's why I am going to mute. So now start with this. So now, first of all, start with, for example, right now we are doing the online class, and not only this, to understand, we'll start. If you see in your neighborhood, and maybe if you seen in your house, if the 2 brothers and sisters, there is a difference. So that difference, we are talking about the difference. Difference in height. प्लीज ये जो भी गुनगुना रहा है फिर से हम म्यूट कर देंगे. Height, weight, even there is a difference. Maybe if you both are not studying in the same class, if your brothers and sisters at the home, so there's a difference between a class. And not only this, even the most bigger difference is intelligence. Maybe you'll found that some students consist of high knowledge and some students consist of very low knowledge. So in that matter, when we talk about this in difference manner, so the difference is related with diversity. The difference is related with diversity, and in this lesson we have to understand. So that's why we call it understanding diversity. Clear? Understanding diversity. So earlier we have also discussed about the too much diversity. So I am asked that many students today joined, and those who have not read, those who have not read this lesson earlier, just raise the hands in your set. Just raise the hands जिन्होंने अब तक पढ़ा ही नहीं है लेसन ये. Tell me. अपना सिरा हाथ खड़ा करेंगे. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कौन है जो हाथ खड़ा कर रहे हैं. नहीं पढ़े हैं. So see this. So we will start with this. That main thing is regarding the diversity. The difference is diversity. The difference is diversity. So we are living in India. And it is a sole country. There are many countries, but it is a sole country who have the multicultural diversity. Multicultural diversity. इतनी ज्यादा डाइवर्सिटी आपको कहीं नहीं दिखेगी वर्ल्ड में. And in all aspects, even on the social background, even on the economic background, and even on the, we can't say about the political background, many more backgrounds. देख लीजिए आप लोग. Because the 8 religions of the whole world, the 8 major religions of the whole world are just worshipped here. तो दुनिया के 8 मेजर रिलीजन हैं. ये सारे के सारे रिलीजन सिर्फ भारत में ही आपको दिखते हैं. बाकी, for example, if you visit to many more countries like Saudi and many more countries, even visit to the Christian country, most probably you found little bit some Muslims, because you will not find all the religions. Even if they are at that places, they will not allowed to do their practices. They are not allowed to do their practices in many more countries. So they are not free. But in India, they are free because India is a secular country. So when we talk about the secular, literal meaning is this, that secular means that word, dharm nirpeksh, means in simple terms. So dharm, when we talk about the secular, so secular means, we'll also discuss.
Sir, India is a diverse country.
Sorry?
So India is a land of
Sir,
diversity.
8 major religions कौन-कौन से हैं?
मैं बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनिए. पहली बात तो 4 जो सुनते हैं, बार-बार सुनते हैं, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई. ठीक है? उसके अलावा बुद्धिस्ट, जैन्स, पारसीस. ठीक है ना? Even we talk about this Buddhist, Parsis, and Jains. And you can say another religion also. There some another religion also. कौन से संप्रदाय हैं?
Sir, Adivasi.
Adivasi, we can't say that they have their religions. You can't understand about the meaning of the pagan. They are the pagans, but they are forced to accept.
Pagas meaning.
They are forced to accept a religion. So even some Christian missionaries are reached and try to convert them in their Christians, and even the Hindus claims no, they become the part of Hinduism. and saying that they belong to ST tribe. Clear? So I'm not talking that if you seen this, there are Hindu, Muslim, Christians, yes, Sikh, and then what? Jains, Parsis, and Buddhist. And one,
Buddhist.
yes, yes. Then it's clear. So main thing is this, we have to discuss about this multicultural. So when we talk about the multicultural is related with diversity. Clear? Now,
सर एक और कौन सा रिलीजन है?
रिलीजन बहुत सारे हैं. जैसे आप क्रिश्चियनिटी की बात करते हैं, क्रिश्चियनिटी के अंदर ही बहुत सारे रिलीजन है. कैसे? वो रिलीजन तो है ही है. जैसे someone become the Protestant, someone become the Catholics. There are the sampradayas. So when we talk about the Catholics, the Catholics are also known by the name of Orthodox. They believe in the old practices of Christianity. And when we talk about the Protestants, they don't believe in the old practices of Christianity. They follow the new method of worship regarding, because if you see and visit to the churches, in the Protestant churches, the bishop, we can say in the simple sense, father is not compulsory. There in the churches, the father you will not find the church father. And if you talk about the Catholics, Orthodox, so the father is most. Clear? See this? So you will found the some major religions, major 8 religions. You will found this. So in the next chapter we will also discuss about this. Clear? So now another thing that
Sir, what does diversity add to our life दिया है?
yes, tell me. क्या कह रहे हैं? हेलो, क्या पूछ रहे हैं भाई? जल्दी पूछिए. Now, see this, because diversity in the sense of when we will visit to India, you will found number of languages, number of scripts, and even the number of the dishes. If you visit to the whole world, and within the 15 or within the 200 kilometer, it just consists of country. And our India have the vast land. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, they have the big cultural background. And all over the religions of the world, fragmented part, or maybe we can say whatever the part, you will find in India in a happy manner, not in a depressed manner. In the happy manner, not in a depressed manner. Because if you see in the Pakistan, you will see the condition of the minorities there. Then,
Sir, please guide.
yes. Now, another thing is related to the diversity with the example of Samir. Then when we talk about the Samir is related with Samir 1 and Samir 2. Samir 1 and Samir 2. So when we talk about the Samir 1 and Samir 2, the Samir 1, whatever it's the one who belong from the rich community and the one who belong from the poor community. So the Samir, whatever the Samir who belong from the rich community, that
सर साइड नहीं दिख रहा है उधर.
the Samir we talk about this.
Sir.
So when you talk about the
Mummy.
Samir, the one Samir,
सर नहीं दिख रहा है.
Sir. खा जाऊंगी इसको. Sir.
yes,
मुंह में शांत पड़ा दे.
बोले. When you talk about the Samir ek and Samir do, say this.
Oh.
अपने आप को उधर से म्यूट कीजिए. अपने आप को उधर से म्यूट कीजिए. Samir ek and Samir do. So when we talk about the Samir ek and Samir do, the one who belong from the rich class, another who belong from the poor class. So when we talk about the rich and the poor, it automatically shows what the status they have. The one, it means the Samir ek who belong from the rich community, they're also studying and they're not studying. The story, the Samir ek and the Samir do met at a red light. The Samir ek and the Samir do met at the red light, and whatever the conversation between them, you can also read that Samir ek is, when there was a red light, the one another Samir do, they both don't know their names earlier. So the Samir ek demanding a newspaper and a Hindi newspaper. This all the things shows the diversity, that the Samir ek is demanding a newspaper at the red light, and the Samir do are saying, by the appearance or by the look, you look like Angrez, and why you are demanding about the Hindi newspaper. Then the Samir ek responded and saying, oh, I also know the Hindi because Hindi is a subject in my school. So after listening this statement, the Samir do was asking that what is a subject? So by the simple you can say a subject is a Vishay and we will read in the schools. But a boy who never gone to school, it will be a curious point for him. It will be a curious point for him and asking with curiosity that what is a subject? What is a subject? I think you all of you familiar with the subject, because from the beginning, from the 9th class, from the nursery class up to 6th class, you have read about number of subjects, more than 5 to 6 subjects. So, and a boy is also, think about a boy or a girl who is also belong to the same age group and never visited a school, and you are saying, thought about yourself, that you are saying, hey, give me the Hindi newspaper. Example, just the reciprocal or the reverse of the Hindi. Then say, oh, you look like a Hindustani and demanding a English newspaper. So you saying, oh, I am studying in school. And what? And English is a subject in my school. So again, just think about in yourself and asking, what is the subject? What is the English subject? I don't know what's English. I just speak Hindi. So can you tell how will I learn this language? The same thing regarding the Samir ek and Samir do. So just after taking the newspaper, there was a green light, because there is a red light. At the red light, the vehicles will stop. When you have also read about the poem of red light. So when there was a green light, the vehicles move, and just then on the another day, he met and saying, then at the second chance they met and they're saying, oh, my name is Samir. Okay, Seri. Then they are saying, oh, what a coincidence. My name is also Samir. But after Samir 1 and 2, they both belong from the different religion. The one is Hindu and the another one is Muslim. So this is the difference. So this is the difference. This is also the difference. That Samir Ek and Samir Do both belong from the different religion. Both belong from the different religion. Then suddenly they met and then asking many more things. And the one day when the Samir met, then on that Samir was, why you are too much sad? So they are saying, there is a riots in our area. And he was very terrified and saying, there is a riots in our area. And he belonged from the merit. Clear? So the difference, and the difference also clashed with the some troublesome activities, and the troublesome activities are rights. In Hindi it is known as dangas. And it consists of two religious groups and some social groups also we can say. Clear? Yes. So there is a difference between the Samir Ek and the Samir Do. You have also read about earlier. Yes. Please don't make noise. If the sound will come from your side, try to mute this. Yes, any doubt? क्या चीज?
फुल फॉर्म बताइए ना
प्लीज बताइए
फॉर्म बताइए
क्या चीज?
ईटी का फुल फॉर्म
किसका फुल फॉर्म?
ईटी का फुल फॉर्म
फुल फॉर्म तो हम कहीं कुछ लिखवाए ही नहीं है, पूछे ही नहीं है.
सर ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिखा
ये
हुआ
देखिए
है
पूरा व्हाइट बोर्ड दिख रहा है आपको. आर, ये राइट्स में RIOTS है, ये RIOTS. RIO. हाँ जी पूछिए. आवाज थोड़ा कट रहा है.
लगड़ी हर पंखा
कौन है? कौन है?
सर राइट्स के नीचे जो लिखा है वो उसका फुल फॉर्म पूछ रहा है.
लिखा ये राइट्स के बगल में डिफरेंस है और ये पुअर है. डिफरेंस का मतलब अंतर, राइट्स का मतलब दंगे और पुअर का मतलब गरीब. गंदा नहीं, वो वाला सोशल बैकग्राउंड वाला. सोशल जो डिफरेंस होता है, हम उस डिफरेंस की बात करते हैं. सोशल डिफरेंस में दो ही होगा.
सर सेक्युलर मतलब
सेक्युलर मतलब धर्मनिरपेक्ष. धर्मनिरपेक्ष का मतलब, फॉर एग्जांपल, this is the main thing you have to know, because another will also inquire about this kind of statements. So when we talk about the secular, secular means the state don't have official religion, or the state will not support any religion. The state will be neutral in that aspect, because in India when we talk about the secular, we are not favoring any religion. We are not favoring, we are not showing a kind of contemplation. इसको हम बुरी निगाह से देखते नहीं. कोई किसी भी रिलीजन को फॉलो करे, And not only this, the religion they will belong, they can also move from their religion to another religion. There is a totally freedom. So in that sense, if any state or any government or any country, if not interfere or not indulge in the matter of religion, so it will become the secular country, because you are totally free to accept any religion. They can also propagate their religion, but the one condition is also that you can't deny and humiliate the another religion, that no, this is not the good religion. You can't say about it. If you are saying you will, then there is a put, you will put behind the bars, as well as you can't force the other people to follow their other religions, because if you are doing, it means you are troubling and you will be punished by the country, because India is a secular country, and also they have their norms which is written in the constitutions. Here, for example,
सर
talk about our neighboring
एग्रीकल्चर
country,
तो था
Pakistan. The Pakistan have the Islam their official religion, so there are also religion in their country, but you've seen the condition of the another religion. By the willingly they can't do anything. You have seen the pitiable condition of the another religion people. So this one. Making friends, we have discussed about this. Here, then,
Sir.
yes,
Sir.
then, now we are talking about the diversity. When we talk about the diversity, now how the diversity will become helpful. Listen, there are two things. If we have the enmity, if we have the एक दूसरे से द्वेष है, वैमनस्य है, झगड़ा है, so it shows difference. But if there is difference and still we are proud of it, it will become the cultural difference. But cultural what? Diversity. The cultural diversity. But if we have a clash, this is difference. Simple. याद कर लीजिए, जब आपस में झगड़ा है तो वही जो डाइवर्सिटी है किसमें तब्दील हो जाएगी? डिफरेंस में तब्दील हो जाएगा. लेकिन हम लोग अलग अलग हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद भी उसको हम प्राउड फील करते हैं. नो, we are belong from a special kind of a country where in our country everyone is same and everyone is respected. So in that terms we are not Indians. It means we have the diversity. Because most of the another country people, if they come to our country, they are such amazed to see that there's a too much cultural difference still. And the cultural difference make you different from the other countries. It means it look like a bouquet. It look like a bouquet. ये उस प्रकार से जिस प्रकार से गुलदस्ता है, और एक गुलदस्ते के अंदर अनेकों प्रकार के फूल हैं. क्योंकि दुनिया के अंदर आप देखेंगे तो अनेकों प्रकार के धर्म के अलावा अनेकों प्रकार के कलर आपको दिखते हैं. यहाँ पर अनेकों तरह के खान पान दिखते हैं. हर कुछ किलोमीटर पे जाने पे लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाती है.
Yes, sir.
डिफरेंस आने लगता है कुछ कुछ. तो इतनी कहीं ज्यादा डिफरेंस पूरे वर्ल्ड में है ही नहीं. इसीलिए फॉरेनर्स इसको आते हैं तो बहुत इंजॉय करते हैं. Because if the foreigners visit to the village areas and they met with the people, they know their actual identity of India, which is just found in the villages, not in the cities. Different kinds of demigods there. अनेकों देवी देवताओं की पूजा होती है. किसी वर्ल्ड में किसी कंट्री में नहीं होती कि हर एक पेड़ के नीचे एक पत्थर रख दिया और वहां अगरबत्ती दिखाने लगते हैं. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. पूरे वर्ल्ड में ऐसा नहीं होता है. अस्पताल से ज्यादा आपको मंदिर दिखते हैं, मस्जिद दिखते हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा है. And so that's why the people also like this. So now the diversity adds to their life. तो diversity तो है ही आपकी लाइफ में ऐड है ना. अपने आप को देख लीजिए, हर एक बच्चा तीन तीन प्रकार की लैंग्वेज बोल सकता है. इस क्लास में जो बैठे हैं 3 प्रकार की लैंग्वेज बोल सकते हैं. And they, I'm not talking about the language. It's not about a language, but local dialect. When talk about Bhojpuri, so they are what? So mostly students they know about 3 or 4 3 kinds of भोजपुरी लैंग्वेज नहीं है, ये एक बोली है, डायलेक्ट, जिसको हम बोली को डायलेक्ट कहते हैं. But still you know about 2 kind of languages. If you know about little bit English, it is also language. If you know about little bit Hindi, it is also language. The same context. Then many folk stories you also listen. Maybe the another country also have their folk stories, but every village have their own story. In India, every pond have their own story. Every tree have their own story. कि इस पेड़ पे भूत रहता है. फॉरेन कंट्री में ऐसा होता है? नहीं होता. तो यहाँ पर इतनी स्टोरियां हैं, हर एक गली के अंदर एक स्टोरी दिखती है, हर एक पेड़ पे स्टोरी. अरे यहाँ ये भूत रहता है, यहाँ लाइक दिस many kind of stories. जैसे एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ आज आपको. When we are small, we ever read a story, प्रेत in the house. कि कमरे के अंदर भूत. Then the story, if you see the movie, that movie came. A little bit forgot the name of that movie. So what was happened in that movie? There was a tree, and that tree was a people tree, and which was on the roadside. And the PWD Public Work Departments ordered that this tree should be cut because it is on the road, and the road is going to be widened. So when the road is going to be widened, what will happen? They will cut the tree, and after cutting the tree, the ghost or the pret which was living on that tree, it entered to the nearby house. So when the, ये बता देते हैं स्टोरी थोड़ा सा, बस जल्दी खत्म करेंगे इसको, कि वो भूत जो है कि बाहर से जब उस कमरे में आ जाता है तो उसके बाद वो अपने तमाशा करने लगता है. दादाजी का चश्मा कुत्ते के ऊपर, नाक के ऊपर, खाने के अंदर इंक और दुनिया भर के बवाल करता है. तो लोग डर जाते हैं. Then with the fear or with the phobia of that ghost, the people try to migrate their house by selling their house, and they move to another house. And what they will found, that one person, the we can say the luggage they have boarded on this that car or whatever it, they are also found there is some kind of noise, and the some kind of noise with a chuckling noise. Chuckling noise means अपने आप से बात करना. And what they heard in that noise, that they heard that the ghost was saying, "Oh, I am also excited to see the new house where we will go." वो भूत भी बड़ा ही एक्साइटेड होता है क्या, कि वो भी जानना चाहता है, वो भी देखना चाहता है कि नया घर कैसा है, वो भी उनके साथ, इसका मतलब वो जा रहा होता है. So this is a new story I told about this. Then we have also discussed about the diversity. That the diversity in the sense of food, in the sense of thought, in the sense of social cultural background, and many more things. How do we explain diversity? Different person describe their diversity in their different ways. Clear? This one. For example, you can also take the example of India. On the pattern of, you take the example of area where there is a much rainfall, and an area which get less amount of rainfall. Example of Ladakh, and Ladakh is an area which is cold desert. And you can also take the example of a Kerala, where you will find the abundant amount of rainfall. So there is a difference. So this difference is also related to diversity. And both the places, that the area which get very less amount of rainfall and the area which get very much amount of rainfall. This all kind of areas is just two kind of areas, and it is just found in India. So this is also related with diversity regarding the food habits, regarding the religion. If you take the example of Ladakh, in Ladakh there are basically two religions. The one who follows the Buddhist. When we talk about Ladakh, so Ladakh basically it's consists two religions. The another one is Buddhist. The one is Buddhist, another one is Muslims. So Buddhists consist 75% and the Muslims consist 25%. So they have the different way of worshipping, even in the Buddhist and even the Muslims. So if you visit to the Kerala, the kind of livelihood in Ladakh is different, and the Kerala, they have the different. Their food habit is different because in the Kerala there is a too amount of rainfall. So due to this, the mostly the staple diet of these area people are fish, the rice. So the areas even in Ladakh, they also eat the meat, but they can't get too much amount of fish, or maybe not the fish. This one. So tomorrow we'll discuss about once more this lesson, because some part is left. Clear? See this, because you see the Chinese nets in the Kerala's, so where they will try to catch the fishes, the best amount of shawls, the best amount of goat. Best amount means a good quality of goat just found at the Ladakh, and it will found at the high mountain areas, because they have a very thin furs, and by the thin furs they will make different kinds of what? Special kind of blanket, and it is too much hot. Clear? This one. And after reading this lesson,